Hello everyone, I'm Chef David. Welcome. Today we are going to cook something spicy. It's called black pepper tofu. Spicy black pepper tofu. So you can heat up this pan. First we are going to cook spicy sauce, and then subsequently we will put in the soft tofu and mix them all together. You can add a little bit of oil, spread it around, ginger, okay, and we're going to fry the chilies now. Okay, this you add a bit of water, and we're going to add the oyster sauce, a little soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sugar, star of the show, crushed black pepper. Okay, right now I'm just going to add the cornstarch just to thicken the sauce. We're going to throw in the tofu. Make sure the tofu is covered. Let it boil for a little while, simmer for a little while. Okay, right at this point you will add in tomatoes. Okay, we are done. With a bit of toasted sesame seed. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is your spicy black pepper tofu. I hope you enjoy it. Please do it at home. I will be back with more interesting Korean vegetarian food. I'll see you real soon. Thank you.